This is a 1928 Royal Portable P model typewriter. It's been fully refurbished, has new rubber feet on the typewriter and on the case, and it is ready to type. It's really nice, dark, crisp print. This beautiful machine is a 1928 Royal Portable P model is what they're most often called. It was designed to be used straight out of the case, still mounted to its baseboard. You just remove the top of the case. But I do have new rubber feet on the machine and on the case. So you can remove the baseboard if you prefer. There's just 4 screws on the bottom. It's got nice glass keys. Some of them are a little bit discolored. They look pretty good, really. The original decals are in real good shape. And the glossy black finish, it's in pretty good shape for its age. It does have some nicks and blemishes. It's pretty good. There's a bare spot on this top corner. There's a new ribbon on metal spools. Produces really nice, dark, crisp type. The platen and feed rulers have been reconditioned and are in good shape. Even the decal on the back still looks good. It's hard to get a good picture of this glossy black mirror-like finish. You see a lot of reflections in it. This machine comes with its original case and a reprinted user's manual. case is in pretty good shape for its age. The old leather style handle is gone. It's been replaced with a stern. It's been cleaned up and it latches and solid. The typewriter is mounted to the bottom of the case. The way it's designed, it's portable. You can just remove the top of the case and carry it on a spaceport and it's ready to go. But if you prefer, you can remove that bottom board from the typewriter and use it by itself. It's a 1928 Royal Portable.